Namaste, I Jayveer, Dr. J. Singh, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Department Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today's our topic is National Leprosy Eradication Programs. So, in the continuation of the last topic, there is another program that called as National Leprosy Eradication Program. So Mahatma Gandhi says that leprosy work is not merely medical relief, it is transforming frustration of the life into the joy of dedication, personal ambitions, into the selfless services. Objective list of the objectives of NLCPs and NLEP enumerates the strategies of National Leprosy Eradication Program and discuss about MDTs. Explain the strategies of the NLEPs and state the organization and describe the role of the key persons and enumerate the structures. So, if we talk about the National Leprosy Eradication Program, chronic infection disease caused by the Mycobacterium leprae. It is usually affect the skin of the peripheral nerves. Long incubation period, generally 5 to 7 years, classified as we can classify as a bacillary and multibacillary. Permanent disability is there, timely diagnosis and the treatment of the cases. So, global register prevalence in 1,81,941 cases in 2012, and National Leprosy Control Program in 1995, MDT come into the White Earth from 1982, and National Laboratory Eradication Program in 1983, and HEP in 2002, eliminate the leprosy in 2005. Milestone in NLEP is in 1948, Hind Kush Nivaran Sangh. In 1955, the government of India launched the NLCP, and in 1983 launched NLCP and NLEP and introduced MDT for the treatment. In 1991, WHO declaration to eliminate the leprosy at the global level in 2000. By the 2000, modified leprosy elimination campaigns started in 1993 to 2000. World Bank supported the NLEP first. What is the objective of NLCP in 1955? The early cases of detection to provide the domiciliary treatment to render infections cases to the more infections, right? So the objective of NLCP in 1995 and carry this objective in next years. Like we can say that the strategies of NLEP is the early detection, early case detections, and short-term multi-drug therapy and health education and rehabilitation services will be provided. What is the multi-drug therapy? So the multi-drug therapy is multibacillary, intensive phases. Intensive phase of lasting for 14 days. Then rifampicin and 600 mg daily, which is supervised, and clopazimine in 300 mg daily, and the dapsone is the first line drug, which we can say that leprosy it should be provided in timely. So dapsone 100 mg daily unsupervised. So continuation phase lasting for the 2 or more years. Rifampicin 600 mg once in a month supervised, and clobazepam 5 mg daily and 300 mg month supervised. Dapsone 100 mg daily supervised with ethionamide and protonamide. Duration of 2 years or until 2 consecutive smear taken at a monthly interval become negative. The follow-up is done once in 6 months for 5 years. Possibility. Rifampicin 600 mg once in a month supervised. Dapsone 100 mg daily. Strategies for the NLEP during the 9 to 5 year plan. like identify the case detection and deep coverage in high prevalence states and area difficult to access. Strengthening laboratory services, PHC and CMC, establishing the surveillances, preparing for initiating the horizontal integration of the laboratory program to primary healthcare system. Then we talk about the providing greater emphasis on the disability prevention and treatment, implementation of modified leprosy eliminations campaign, ensuring rehabilitations of cured patients, repeal of discriminating provision under marriage or where the leprosy is ground for divorce, organization of NEP in India, central level DGHS and NLEP officers like NLEP commissioners for the planning and the policies, state level directors of health and services and state NLEP sub officers, regional level regional NLEP officers, leprosy control unit, survey education, treatment and urban leprosy unit, role of key person and health workers, identification of the person with the hypopigmented patches or thickened triangles with nerves, help and motivate BHG to detect such cases, ensure that the cases are clinically examined for diagnosis, ensure that the treatment is taken regularly by all the cases to cure, motivate defaulters to take treatment regularly, educate the patients on the care of feet, skin, eyes, etc. Educate the members of the family and community by imparting correct knowledge, dispel misconception, disbelief, help to remove the stigma, examine the context of the diagnosed cases for the presence of hyperpigmented patch, thickened and tender nerves, keep record of suspected cases and the case under the treatment. So the role of the key person like delays how to guide it, identification of the person with the hyperpigmented pattern, getting such a person examined clinically, reassuring diagnosed cases of cure in treatment is taken regularly and motivate them to take such treatment as long as necessary, keeping in touch with the cases to ensure that the treatment is taken regularly. Educate the family members and about the curability, infective nature of the disease, and remove the misconception if any. Educate the community by imparting correct knowledge, dispel misconceptions, misbelief, how to remove the stigmas. Health assistant and they are the supervisors supervise the activity of the health worker, complications of the report, mild medical officers like confirmed suspected case of leprosy, maintain registers of cases under the treatment of the defaulters, supervise activities of health assistants, ensure the drug supply, compile the record and assess the activity with the help of the indicators, find out the problem faced by the health workers and health assistants during monthly meeting to try to find out the solution, inform and educate the patients and contact the populations. Infrastructure, the leprosy control unit, survey, education and treatment center, urban leprosy center rather. The leprosy control units like these are established in endemic area with one medical officer, two non-medical supervisors, 20 paramedical workers. Each unit covering a population of 4.5 lakh. Each paramedical workers cover a population to 15 to 2,000 and is expected to examine at least 8,000 persons per year. Survey education and treatment centers. The team consists of one paramedical officer for the 2,55,000 populations, one medical supervisor for every 5 paramedical workers, each center attached to PHCs. Urban leprosy centers like one established for every 40 to 30 to 40,000 population at the central level. The leprosy division of the Directorate General of the Health Services, New Delhi, is responsible for the planning, supervision and monitoring of the program. So the institute involved in anti-leprosy activities, Central Leprosy Teaching Research Institute like Cephalpa 2 and the Religion Leprosy Training and Research Institute in the Raipur, Chhattisgarh, and the Regional Leprosy Training and Research Institute in the Gauripur in the West Bengal. International agencies such as SIDA. SIDA we can say the Swedish International Development Agency. And next is DANIDA, Danish International Development Agencies. And next is WHO, UNICEF, United Nations International Children Emergency Fund, Gammon Foundation, etc. And the World Bank Support Project in NLEP. The first phase in 1993 reduced the prevalence rate and increased MDT and coverage of 550 crore. The second phase in 2001, 2 crore 49,000 include the World Bank loan. Modified leprosy elimination campaign are also started like multibacillary cases has you should be take the rifampicin 600 mg daily, which is supervised the doctor, clopazine 50 mg daily supervised by the doctor, also dapsone 100 mg daily unsupervised. Duration of the treatment should be 12 months, follow up once in a year for 5 years. So you have the next is bacillary cases, single nerve lesions, rifampicin 600 mg once in a month, supervised dapsone 100 mg daily, unsupervised. Duration of the treatment 6 months, follow up in a once month for a year for 5 years. Single skin lesions, rifampicin 600 mg, ofloxacin 400 mg, Silaline in 100 mg, follow up once in a week, year for 2 years. The campaign is comprised of a package of 5 activities, mainly like teachers and training of all the health staff and so the campaign it compromises of the 4 package of 4 activities like teaching, training of all the health staff, identified or intensified IEC activities, case detections by the house to house visit to detect the leprosy cases, correct and complete the treatment. Urban Leprosy Program and Control Program in 2005. It was initiated in 2005 to address the complex program of leprosy cases in urban areas. Assistance of 400 for 22 urban areas. Population size is 1 lakh. Urban areas are grouped in 4 categories. Like if there is a township, medium cities 1, medium cities 2, mega cities 3, and an LEP as National Action Plan for 2006 to 2007 continue the efforts to achieve elimination of the leprosy, to maintain the gain achievement and to continue the efforts to achieve elimination at the block and district level, to make the quality leprosy service available, strategies of NLEP, decentralization of NLEP states and the district, integrations of leprosy services with the general healthcare system, leprosy training of GHS functionaries, every diagnosis and promote MD through the routine and special efforts, IEC using the local and mass media for the reduction of stigma and discrimination, preventions and disabilities of the medical rehabilitations, DPMR, intersectorial collaboration, medical monitoring and the evaluation. Leprosy elimination monitoring, like this consists of assessing the performance of elimination campaign on various issues like case detections, quality service like treatment, IEC activities, drug supply and management. Carry out the new NIHFW New Delhi every year in 12 endemic states for the 3 years like June 2002. Slogans of its prevalence the rate reduced to 1 by less than 1 by 1,000, 1 lakh population. So that is about this National Leprosy Eradication Program. Thank you. Namaste. If you have any query, just comment below.